Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Vishwa Rajlal, Faculty of Biotechnology, Jamshedpur Women's College, Jamshedpur. Today we will discuss about DNA replications in eukaryotes. Deoxyribonucleic acid (DNA) is a macromolecule that carries genetic informations from generation to generation. It is responsible to preserve the identity of the species over millions of years. DNA may be regarded as a reserve bank of genetic informations or a memory bank. DNA is the genetic materials. When the cells divides, the daughter cells receive an identical copy of genetic information from the parent cells. Replication is a process in which DNA copies itself to produce identical daughter molecules of DNA. Replication is carried out with high fidelity, which is essential for the survival of the species. Next, replications in eukaryotes. Replication of DNA in eukaryotes closely resembles that of prokaryotes. Certain differences, however, exist. Multiple origins of replication is a characteristic features of eukaryotic cells. Further, at least 5 distinct DNA polymerases are known in eukaryotes: DNA polymerase alpha, DNA polymerase beta, DNA polymerase gamma, DNA polymerase delta, and DNA polymerase epsilon. So first, DNA polymerase alpha is responsible for the synthesis of DNA primer for both the leading and lagging strands of DNA. Second, DNA polymerase of beta is involved in the repair of DNA. Its function is comparable with DNA polymerase 1 found in prokaryotes. Next, third, DNA polymerase gamma. This enzyme participates in the replication of mitochondrial DNA. Next, DNA polymerase delta is responsible for the replication on the leading strand of DNA. It also possesses proof reading activity. And lastly, DNA polymerase epsilon is involved in DNA synthesis on the lagging strand and proof reading functions. Next, we come to a process of replications in eukaryotes. The replications on the leading continuous strand of DNA is rather simple, involving DNA polymerase delta and a sliding clamp called proliferating cells nuclear antigen PCNA. PCNA is so named as it was first detected as an antigen in the nuclei of replicating cells. PCNA forms a ring around DNA to which DNA polymerase delta binds. Formatting of this ring also requires another factors, namely replication factor RFC. The replication on the lagging discontinuous strand in eukaryotes is more complex when compared to prokaryotes or even the leading strand of eukaryotes. Next, we come to a figure. The parental strands of DNA are separated by the enzyme helicase. A single-stranded DNA binding protein called replication protein A (RPA) binds to the export single-stranded template. This strand has been opened up by the replication fork. The enzyme primase forms a complex with DNA polymerase alpha, which initiates the synthesis of Okazaki fragments. The primase activity of poly-alpha primase complex is capable of producing 10 base pair RNA primer. The enzyme activity is then switched from primase to DNA polymerase alpha, which elongates the primer by the addition of 20 to 30 deoxyribonucleotides. Thus, by the action of polymerase alpha primase complex, short stretch of DNA attached to RNA is formed. and now the complex dissociates from the DNA. The next step is the binding of replication factor C, RFC, to the elongated primer short RNA DNA. RFC serves as a clamp, ladder, and catalyzes the assembly of proliferating cell nuclear antigen pCNA molecule. The DNA polymerase delta binds to the sliding clamp and elongates the Okazaki fragment to a final length of about 150 to 200 base pair. By this elongation, the replication complex approach the RNA primer of the previous Okazaki fragments. The RNA primer removal is carried out by a pair of enzymes, namely RNase H and flap endonuclease 1 FEN1. This gap created by RNA removal is filled by continued elongation of the new Okazaki fragments carried out by the polymerase delta. The small nick that remains is finally sealed by DNA ligase. So this is the outline of DNA replication on the Lange strand in eukaryotes. So here is RPA means replications, protein A, pCNA proliferating cell nucleus antigen, RFC replications, factor C, RNase H, ribonuclease H, FENI means flap endonuclease 1. So this is the overall about DNA replications in eukaryotes. Thank you.